Welcome to my channel Next Gen Motorhomes, introducing the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV Motorhome, a breathtaking masterpiece that redefines what luxury on the road truly means. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a castle on wheels, a fortress of innovation, elegance, and unparalleled comfort. Standing proudly in the Mercedes showroom, this RV looks more like a moving palace than a motorhome. Let's step closer and explore this modern marvel, where technology, craftsmanship, and imagination merge to create something truly extraordinary. The first thing that catches your eye is the exterior, a design unlike anything ever seen before. Mercedes engineers took inspiration from medieval European castles, combining their architectural grandeur with cutting-edge aerodynamics. The body is sculpted with flowing curves and armored-like panels that shimmer under light, giving the illusion of strength and sophistication. The front grille carries the iconic three-pointed star, now surrounded by adaptive matrix LED beams that resemble royal torches. The panoramic windshield stretches almost seamlessly into the roofline, offering a regal view of the world ahead. Every inch of this RV exudes authority, from its 26-inch alloy wheels designed for any terrain, to the chrome-accented steps that unfold automatically as you approach. Sensors detect your presence, doors glide open silently, and ambient welcome lights trace the contours of the vehicle, making your entrance feel like stepping into a royal carriage. Underneath this castle-like facade lies the heart of a true Mercedes powerhouse. Powered by a twin-turbo hybrid diesel engine paired with electric assist motors, the 2026 RV produces an astonishing 720 horsepower, enough to move this giant with grace and silence. It features Mercedes' latest 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth glide over any terrain. Regenerative braking, solar charging panels integrated into the roof, and a 500-mile range make it as sustainable as it is luxurious. This is not just transportation. It's engineering poetry, where power meets elegance and performance meets peace. As you step inside, you immediately understand why it's called a castle on wheels. The interior is a sanctuary of sophistication, every detail handcrafted with precision and purpose. Marble-textured flooring leads into a spacious lounge wrapped in Italian leather and sustainable wood finishes. A 75-inch retractable oldie smart screen sits at the center, doubling as a panoramic window when turned off. Soft ambient lighting runs through hidden channels, creating an atmosphere that feels alive, dynamic, warm, and endlessly inviting. From the gold-stitched upholstery to the brushed aluminum trim, every inch whispers luxury. The living area transforms at the touch of a button. The seats recline, rotate, and adapt to your needs, from a dining setup to a cinema lounge in seconds. An AI-driven smart system, known as Envision Control, adjusts temperature, lighting, and even aroma to match your mood. The windows feature electrochromic glass, turning from transparent to tinted for privacy at a simple voice command. And for those who appreciate silence, the cabin-as triple-insulated design ensures near-complete noise isolation, so all you'll hear is the quiet hum of luxury itself. The kitchen area in the 2026 Mercedes RV isn't just functional, it's gourmet. Equipped with a smart induction system, self-cleaning oven, dual refrigerators, and retractable countertops, it's designed for fine dining on the move. The Master Suite redefines comfort. A queen-sized hydraulic bed with memory foam adjusts automatically to your body posture. The ceiling above doubles as a starlight projector, allowing you to sleep under a digital night sky anywhere in the world. Hidden compartments, automated climate zones, and a personal entertainment suite make this space your royal retreat. The bathroom, or rather, the private spa, features rainfall showers with chromatherapy lighting, self-heating marble floors, and a smart mirror that displays navigation, weather, and even health metrics. Every feature, from the faucets to the towel warmers, carries the Mercedes mark of perfection. It's not just about travel. It's about living luxuriously, even on the move. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV Motorhome isn't just a leap forward. It is a revolution in luxury travel. A castle on wheels, designed not merely for journeys, but for experiences. For those who dream beyond destinations, who believe the journey itself should be royal, this is your throne on the road. Mercedes-Benz once again proves that imagination has no limits and luxury no boundaries.